You're making a massive mistake by feeding your pets ultra-processed commercial pet food. Here's why. Ultra-processed pet food often compromises your pet's health with preservatives, artificial additives, and low-quality ingredients. Here's a video of Dr. Christian explaining the food we should serve for our pet's well-balanced diet.
Kung gusto natin masarap yung kinakain na ating mga dog. For example, ito, yung na-prepare dito na dog food na pwede nating pakain sa kanila. Sa holistic approach, meron na tayong dog food dito, meron na tayong paleo pet na pure meat na walang preservative, and meron din tayong veggies na for fiber.
Poor diet choices today can result in increased veterinary bills in the future due to health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and digestive issues. You can choose to spend a little more on quality pet food now, or face much higher vet bills later due to feeding your pet ultra-processed commercial pet food. It's a good thing I discovered Paleo Pet. They offer